Hi, I'm Liz Goldsmith, GM of Hospitality Services at Japara. Japara have 50 aged care homes. They're a national company. We have in-house catering services across all homes except for one in Victoria. We plan our menus by getting a lot of feedback from our residents, so we do that via food focus groups. We ask them to complete surveys. We take into account cultural requirements, likes, dislikes, and any other special events that they would like to celebrate. Most of our kitchens, we have the rational ovens, and now in our new builds or our new renovations, we include the rational Vario as well, because with that we can replace 4 pieces of equipment with one. So the beauty of that is we don't need to have the grills, the soup kettles, the fryers, and the wrap pans. So that's great because we don't have a lot of space in most of our kitchens, and it's one bit of equipment that we have to take care of rather than the 4.
Hi, I'm Doug Gillen from Japara. My role is Regional Hospitality Manager, and I cover 18 nursing homes for Japara. The equipment's all adjusted to the right heights. The tilt mechanisms are fantastic for the chefs, and just makes their life a lot easier than the old school style equipment.
The Varios are very easy to use, and Comcater provide a lot of support. So that's done at our homes and also at South Melbourne, and there is a lot of educational videos available that our staff can use.
Comcater's training is very supportive and fantastic for chefs because they talk the chef language, and very quickly they can show chefs techniques that they probably haven't learnt before or seen out there. So it's vital for chefs to update their training. One of the benefits of the rational ovens is the probe function. So it's great for chefs because they can actually cook a batch of scones, for example, put the raw scones into the trays, place the probe in the centre of one of the scones and push one button, and automatically the scones are cooked absolutely to perfection.